radiation counter also, but unfortunately we could not purchase it. Okay, last year. Mobile chamber we are planning. Okay, but it is very costly, and that's why we are just looking for the negotiation. But yes, we are having the GM counter, Geiger Muller counter, and based on this counter, we can know that what is the radioactivity. Okay, the dose of the radioactivity. I think you are also knowing the side effects of radioactivity also, right? Japan has gone through the all, you can say, these kind of side effects. Even their genes are also alternate by these kind of radiations. It is very dangerous. Okay, so it is essential thing that we should measure it. Okay, and if it is beyond our control, then we should leave that particular place. Okay, so we are having the GM counter over here. Let me give you the brief about it, what it is and how it is working. This is circuit diagram. See, ये एक छोटा सा ट्यूब होता है. It consists of 90% argon and 10% ethyl alcohol vapor, मतलब ethanol vapor. Okay. Apart from this gas mixture, we are having anode, central anode wire and cathode wire. Okay. So as usual, cathode is kept at negative potential, anode is kept at positive potential, and इनके बीच में 300 से लेके 1200-1500 वोल्ट तक हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं. Okay, so today also we are going to see that video, we are going to watch that video wherein we have performed that experiment, and we are applying ranging from 300 volts to 1200 volts. Okay, we are applying in regular periodic values, we are applying the voltage between the anode and cathode, and by that way we are able to measure, we are able to see on the screen of the GM counter that what is the radioactivity, मतलब कि कितने particles आ रहे हैं, okay, from that source. So for that sake, ionizing radiation, ये जो ionizing radiation आप जो देख रहे हैं, this one, okay, so this ionizing radiation is coming from the radioactive source. So in our physics lab we are having that ionizing radiation source also, मतलब मेरे पास दो source है, एक थैलियम है, दूसरा एक क्रिप्टॉन है. Okay, so over here we are having thallium, we are going to work with the thallium TH. माइका विंडो से वो अंदर एंटर होता है. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन द आयोनाइजिंग पोटेंशियल supplied by this battery, supplied by this power supply, our ionization will be captured over here. So the physics is like this: the ionizing radiation comes via or enters into the this particular GM counter, sorry, GM tube. इसको बोला जाता है GM tube. Okay, its dimension is around about 5 centimeter. Okay, and its length is 5 centimeter, and its diameter is around about 1 centimeter. Okay, तो ये जो डायमेंशन होता है वो 1 सेंटीमीटर का है, एंड ये जो डायमेंशन है वो 5 सेंटीमीटर का है. एक छोटा सा ट्यूब होता है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 90% argon and 10% ethanol vapor. Okay, and whenever we are allowed to enter these kind of radiation, मतलब beta particles over here, they are naturally ionized. And how they ionize? They collide at first. Okay, so beta particles are colliding with this gas atoms, and as a result of which the outermost electrons will be knocked off. Okay, and they will be ionizing, and that electrons are captured over here. Okay, so which are the knocked off, so that electrons are captured by this anode, because anode is kept at positive potential, so naturally it is having affinity to absorb or to have to attract the negative charge particles, and that is as a result of which we are having the electronic signal over here. That electronic signal we are giving to the microprocessor system. It consists of software. Okay, and by that electronic processing system we are having, or we can see the number of ionizing radiation, मतलब कि कितने particles आ रहे हैं वो हम लोग जान सकते हैं. Okay, construction, as I told you, that the counter consists of rugged metal case enclosed in a thin glass tube. Okay, the hollow metal case acts as cathode. A fine wire insulated from the metal, usually of tungsten. हम लोग जनरली ऐसा ही करते हैं कि टंगस्टन और मोलिब्डेनम से हम लोग ये जो कैथोड होता है वो बनाते हैं. ओके, so tungsten is placed along with the axis, a hollow metallic cylinder, it acts as anode. The evacuated tube is filled with mixture of 90% argon and 10% at 10 centimeter pressure and 10% ethanol vapor at 1 centimeter Hg of pressure. At one end of the tube, a window covered, मतलब mica sheet से हम लोग उसको cover कर देते हैं, is arranged to allow the ionization radiation into the tube. A DC voltage of 300 volts to 1200 volts is applied between the anode and cathode. The value of anode is adjusted below the breakdown voltage and gas mixture. A high resistance is connected with the battery. So these are the advantages, or you can say limitations as well. This type of counter is useful for detecting nuclear radiations and charged particles. That is for example, it can be used for beta particles and gamma rays. Basically, it is very suitable for beta particles, electrons. It cannot be used for counting alpha particles due to their low energy, as well as the window माइका विंडो का जो शीट होता है उसका थिकनेस इतना ज्यादा होता है कि अल्फा पार्टिकल्स कैनॉट एंटर इनटू दैट पेरिफेरी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ज्यादातर अल्फा पार्टिकल्स रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाते हैं. ओके, वहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाते हैं एट द एंट्रेंस. ओके, if a large number of particles enter to the GM tube at a rapid rate, the tube will not have time to recover. Okay, and उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं dead time. Okay, some of the particles may not be counted. It cannot detect the neutral particles. Okay, so having said this, let me show you that video so that you can understand. Meanwhile, I am going to explain each and every term. So from LMS, you just download the lab manual. See, I'm talking, let me share that also. Word file. This is the lab manual. The PDF of this document is uploaded on the LMS. You just go to the LMS and then just download it for your reference. Theory is given to you. Procedure is written over here. This is the observation table. We need to apply the different voltages. Okay, and in terms of 50-50 gap, we are going to apply the voltages, and we need to note down the counts for 30 seconds. तो ये टाइम के ऊपर भी बेस्ड होता है. तो आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी 30 seconds, मतलब एक टाइमर होता है. वी नीड टू सेट द टाइमर, okay, into the counter, so that after that time duration it will stop to to accept the radiation, to accept the electronic signal. Okay, तो 30 सेकंड के लिए हम लोग इसको चलाते हैं. Okay, and then for each and every different voltages we are applying that we are measuring these counts. Okay, background count मतलब के we are knowing that के जब रेडिएशंस नहीं होते, मतलब जब हम लोग सोर्स नहीं रखते हैं ट्यूब के अंदर, ट्यूब के आसपास, तभी रेडियो एक्टिविटी चलती रहती है. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज नेचुरल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई एनवायरनमेंट में, आसपास के एनवायरनमेंट में कितने रेडिएशंस अभी एमिट हो रहे हैं वो हम लोग देखना चाहते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द बैकग्राउंड काउंट. सो बैकग्राउंड काउंट इज जनरली मेजर्ड टू नो दैट एनवायरनमेंट में कितनी रेडियो एक्टिविटी है. ओके, and then we are measuring or we are calculating the corrected count by taking the difference. Okay, तो अभी आपको यही करना है कि you just watch the video and just note down this number. Okay, fine. This one, मतलब आपको ये दो कॉलम भरना है. Okay, voltage we are applying, एंड एट दैट पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज कितने नंबर आ रहे हैं या फिर आपका स्क्रीन दिखा रहा है. ओके, दिस इज द सर्किट डायग्राम. ये माइका विंडो है. आयोनाइजिंग रेडिएशन यहाँ पे आता है. ओके, इट आयोनाइजेस द गैस and the negative charge particles are attracted or collected by the anode because anode is at positive potential. ये जो आपका पूरे का पूरा सिलेंडर होता है, मेटालिक सिलेंडर, it is act as cathode. Okay, so with this screen, with the help of the screen, on the screen, this is basically counter. Okay, तो ये सीधा जाता है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल यहाँ पे काउंटर में जाता है. Okay, and we can see on that particular screen कि कितने रेडिएशंस आ रहा है, मतलब कितने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आ रहा है इन द रेडिएशन. ओके, एंड फाइनली वी आर गोइंग टू प्लॉट द ग्राफ आल्सो. तो इस ग्राफ में ये जो स्टेडी लाइन आप देख रहे हैं, ओके, यू नीड टू प्लॉट द ग्राफ, दिस ग्राफ आल्सो. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू दिस ग्राफ फॉर योर रेफरेंस. तो इसको हम लोग प्लेट्यू बोलते हैं, प्लेट्यू. सो प्लेट्यू का मतलब होता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज से दूसरे पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज तक किस वोल्टेज रेंज में रेडिएशन स्टेडी रहता है. ओके, मतलब काउंटर स्टेडी रहता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्लेट्यू. ओके, so now I'm going to play that video. Up till now, any doubt? Meanwhile, you do one thing. You just go to the LMS and download that PDF of this uh, GM counter. जो मैंने अभी वर्ड फाइल दिखाया आपको, उसका ही PDF करके हमने रखा हुआ है. ओके,
Ounce for 30 seconds, we will be measuring the radiations that is emitted by the radioactive source. So for that, I'm just
are you able to listen and see the screen? सुनाई दे रहा है, दिखाई दे रहा है? This is the word file that we have
Yes, sir.
just discussed.
sharing में stop कर रही हूँ because I need to explain you the GFT and then only we will be able to perform the practical. So just a minute.
See, this is the counter. Okay, ये इसका स्क्रीन है एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग सेटिंग कर सकते हैं. ये जो नॉब, ब्लैक नॉब देख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ से हम लोग वोल्टेज अप्लाई करते हैं. सो रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 0 वोल्ट टू 500 वोल्ट्स वी आर एबल टू गिव बिटवीन द एनोड एंड कैथोड. जितना वोल्टेज ज्यादा होगा उतना आयोनाइजेशन ज्यादा होगा, मतलब कि उतने ही नेगेटिव पार्टिकल्स ज्यादा कलेक्ट होके बाहर निकलेंगे टू फॉर्म द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल. ओके, तो ये ऑन ऑफ स्विच. ये meanwhile in this video we are going to just explain that.
So well, see this one. This is a GMT. That is known as a Geiger-Müller.
जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया. ओके, तो ये जो गाइगर मुलर ट्यूब होता है. ओके, so argon gas plus 90% argon gas plus this ethanol vapor is filled up in this particular small cylinder. Okay, it consists of anode and cathode, एंड यहाँ माइका विंडो होता है, यहाँ से आयोनाइजिंग रेडिएशन अंदर जाता है.
Counter. Right? When we studying this in theory, this is a device. You can tell it as a counter. This is a counter which is used for counting the radiations emitted by the radioactive source. So ये जो है ना, this one black color one, it is your GM Geiger-Müller counter. Geiger and Müller are the name of the scientists, right? With which you can count the radiations, right? Now this is a tube which can count all the three types of radiations: alpha, beta, and gamma. Right? It cannot differentiate between the alpha beta. The number of alpha particles are there, this number of beta particles are there, this number of gamma particles are there. Right? As a whole, it will give you all the three radiations. Right? Total number of alpha, beta, and gamma radiations emitted by the tube. Right? Now, what is this tube? This is just a polymer. Inside this, you have a metallic cylinder, right? Which will be, इसके अंदर यही size का you have a cylinder. It will be acting as a cathode, and at the center you have a wire, a thin wire, which will act as an anode. So tube जो है वो cathode का काम करेगी, wire जो है it will act as a anode, right? So we'll be applying the high tension voltage between the anode and the cathode, right? And this tube, we will be filling this tube with the gas.
So ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ हम लोग GMT मतलब GM ट्यूब यहाँ पे अंदर इंसर्ट करते हैं, एंड ये उसका पीछे का पोर्शन है. ओके, वी आर हैविंग द डिफरेंट स्लॉट्स ओवर हियर. सो फ्रॉम यहाँ पे जब हम लोग GMT रखते हैं तो उसके नीचे ही एक सोर्स रखा जाता है, दैट इज न्यूक्लियर रेडियोएक्टिव सोर्स.
And this is a stand in which we'll be keeping our GMT. Okay. Now, this one is a radioactive source, right? We have a thallium, and you know, if you have a radioactive source, it will be continuously emitting the radiation. So ये जो है stand है, इसके अंदर will be keeping the radioactive.
See, by this way we are keeping this radioactive source, this is thallium, okay, into the different slots. Okay, तो एक slot fix किया जाता है, and this is the stand. So we need to just insert this stand inside that groove. Okay, मतलब खांचे होते हैं, उसको उस खांचे में हमें उसको insert करना पड़ता है.
Source, right? So the source will be continuously emitting the radiations and will be keeping it just below the tube. You have the grooves here, right? You can vary the distance. If you just see, you can vary the distance.
See, these are the grooves. Okay, तो ये जो प्लेट होता है ना अंदर चला जाता है ऐसे. Okay, तो मतलब आपका ट्यूब यहाँ पे ऊपर रहता है फॉर द कलेक्शन ऑफ द radioactive particles, okay, nuclear particles, and the radioactive source यहाँ पे होता है.
Just between the tube and the source. Fine. So I'll be keeping it at any specific constant distance through which the radiations will be emitted. Right. Now what happened? That will be the continuous emission of radiation from the radioactive source.
And यहाँ से पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स शुरू होता है, because now it is electrical signal, right? So ये जो वायर होता है ना, this wire, it is directly connected with this counter. Okay.
Right. And that radiations enter the tube. So as soon as the radiations enter the tube, they will interact with the collide with the argon gas. And we are applying the voltage between the anode and the cathode. So what happens when they collide with the argon gas? They get ionized. And because of that, I will be having a positive charge and the negative charges. So what happened? Positive charges will move towards the negative terminal, negative charges moves towards the positive terminal, right? मतलब कि positive charges जो है they will be moving towards the cathode and negative charges will be moving towards the anode. I'm repeating, this is a tube, GM tube. It has two terminals. Cylinder होगा, metallic cylinder, right? Metallic cylinder will be acting as a cathode, and you have a central wire inside this. Sir must have mailed you the manual. You can just see the figure is given. The figure is given in that lab in the manual, right? Upload हो रहा है. Today we have the connectivity issue. So when you see the figure, no, you can see a cylinder is there which is acting as a cathode, and you have a central wire acting as an anode, right? It is filled with the argon gas. We are applying the high voltage between the anode and the cathode, and when we keep the radioactive source just below the tube, radiations will enter the tube, and as soon as the radiations enter the tube, it gets ionized, right? And because of that ionization, the positive charges it moves towards the cathode and the negative charges moves towards the anode. Anode मतलब central wire, tungsten का wire होगा, so it will be moving towards the anode, and the positive charges will be deposited on the central wire. Right now, with this tube, we have connected the counter. This is your counter. Right, this one is your counter, which will count the radiation. Suppose, say for example, 10 radiations has entered the tube, right? 10 radiations, let it be alpha, beta or gamma. 10 radiations has entered the tube. So what happened? There will be the ionization of the 10 radiations. So due to which I will get 10 negative charges and 10 positive. This is just an assumption. 10 negative charges and 10 positive charges. So 10 negative charges will be deposited on the central wire. So as soon as the 10 charges are deposited on the central wire, यहाँ पे जो readings है ना मुझे 10 मिलेगा. That means 10 radiations has entered the tube. So I can count the number of radiations entered is 10. So what we will be doing is we will be varying the voltage, and at different voltages, what are the number of charges, what are the number of radiations that are entering the tube, that will be counting with the help of this counting system. Are you getting my point? What you are supposed to do is ट्यूब में जो रेडिएशंस रेडियोएक्टिव सोर्स में से निकल रहे हैं वो रेडिएशंस हमको काउंट करना, right? So how it will count? As soon as radiations enters the tube, उसका ionization होगा, okay? और ionization की वजह से you will be getting the alpha particles and the positive and the negative charges. So number of positive charges and number of negative charges will give me the radiation that has entered. 10 radiations enter हुए हैं तो 10 radiations में से for example 10 radiations के ionization हो गए, so मुझे 10 positive charges central electrode या central wire में deposit होंगे. So that 10 will be the radiations. It can be alpha, it can be beta, or it can be gamma, right? This is also known as a detector. Detector that is used to find the number of radiations. Detector that is used to count the radioactive radiations that are emitted by the source, right? So what we will do is, if I just share the PDF, so EHP is the voltage that you are applying. We'll start from 300 volt, right? So 30 seconds tak will be counting. 30 seconds tak will be allowing the radiations to enter, and after 30 seconds we will count the radiations, right? 300, then 400, 500, ऐसे 1100 tak will be varying the voltage and then measuring the counts, right? LMS पे PDF upload किया है. You can just download it. I can give you 5 minutes so that you can write the readings along with me. counts are 0. Okay, we need to wait till यहाँ पे हमको 30 मिले. Fine. So 30 पे the number of counts are 300 पे the number of counts are 0. Now it's same. I'll be going for 400. Okay, you can see यहाँ पे 400 HV लिखा है, HV 400 volt. 400 करने के बाद just press the start button. So see, now we are getting counts. These are the radiations.
Now you need to just note down these readings. Okay. As shown in the video, 300 पे 0 मिलता है. Okay, मतलब whenever we are applying the 300 volts, our anode is not able to capture the ionization, and that's why it shows as 0. Now we are applying 400 volt. HV मतलब high voltage. Okay. ET मतलब elapsed time. प्रीसेट टाइम मतलब PT, दैट इज 30 सेकंड्स. तो 30 सेकंड के बाद ये अपने आप बंद हो जाता है. ओके, सो नाउ यू नीड टू जस्ट नोट डाउन दीज रीडिंग्स.
The alpha, beta, gamma particles that are entering the tube. Right? So at 400 volt, the number of radiations that I am getting is 606. 400 पे 606.
Okay, so you just note down that 400 in EHT and 606 as N.
Fine. Then 500. Start button.
इसमें जो रीडिंग हम ले रहे हैं जैसे 400 से 606 आया, तो ये 606 क्या डिनोट कर रहा है? मतलब आर्गन के आयनाइजेशन,
number of radiations detected by the detector. 606 alpha, beta, gamma particles tube में enter हो गए when I have applied a voltage of 400. Got it?
yes,
NB में क्या लिखना है? NB क्या है? ध्रुवी? मैम टेबल में NB तो दिया है. कौन दिया है? मैम क्या लिखा है? बैकग्राउंड काउंट. Oh, just wait. This 300 पे 0 आया. Right? We are just end this end ले रहे हैं. Background I will tell you. अभी रिवर्स में हमको जाना है. ओके, अभी तो ये फर्स्ट और सेकंड कॉलम ही फिलअप कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? Fine. So next 500 पे 563. At 500, the counts are 563. What is this 563? You must be aware, न्यूक्लियर आप लोग पढ़े होंगे ना कि जो भी रेडियोएक्टिव सोर्स होता है वो कंटिन्यूअसली रेडिएशंस एमिट करता है. राइट? सो वी आर काउंटिंग द रेडिएशंस. हमारे पास अभी थेलियम है. राइट? सो इट इज अ रेडियोएक्टिव सोर्स. So it will be emitting the radiations and that radiations are entering the tube. हमने ट्यूब के नीचे ही रखा है रेडियोएक्टिव सोर्स. राइट? सो जैसे ही रेडिएशंस ट्यूब के अंदर एंटर होते हैं तो क्या होगा? आयोनाइजेशन होगा. ओके, और आयोनाइजेशन से आई विल बी गेटिंग द पॉजिटिव एंड द नेगेटिव चार्जेस. ठीक है? पॉजिटिव चार्ज आपका इट विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द कैथोड एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द एनोड. सो जो उसके साथ हमने काउंटर कनेक्ट कर दिया. ओके, इलेक्ट्रोड के साथ. सो जैसे ही रेडिएशन सपोज एक चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोड पे डिपॉजिट हुआ तो आई गेट अ काउंट ऑफ 1. 5 charges डिपॉजिट हुए दैट अ काउंट ऑफ 5. सो ऐसे ही 500 के पे आई गॉट अ काउंट ऑफ 563. मतलब अप्रोक्सीमेटली 560 या 563 या मे बी मोर 600 radiations must have entered the tube. So I got the count of 560. Right? 500 के बाद we'll increase the voltage to 600. Okay, I'll just press the start button.
हम वोल्टेज बढ़ाएंगे अब 600 पे और ज्यादा काउंट आएगा.
as you increase the voltage ionization बढ़ेगा और ionization की वजह से का जो काउंट से बढ़ेगा एट टाइम ऑफ टेम्परेचर सैचुरेशन. सैचुरेशन क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि जो आपका सेंट्रल इलेक्ट्रोड है उसके ऊपर मैक्सिमम चार्ज कैरियर्स डिपॉजिट हो जाएंगे, राइट? और चार्ज कैरियर्स डिपॉजिट हो गए तो सैचुरेशन जैसा काउंट नहीं लेगा आपका. ठीक है, यू विल गेट दैट टाइम, यू जस्ट वेट, वो आएगा आपका. देखो 600 पे यू गॉट 983. At 600, the reading is, the counts are 983. Can I proceed further now? Okay, now I am changing to 700. Okay, and start. At 700, the counts are 1, 2, 3, 2. Then 800. So at 800, fluctuation आया 1155, almost saturation जैसा. At 800, the counts are 1155. Now I'll increase the voltage to 900. See, almost constant, right? At 900, 1208. So this is your plate to अभी saturation पे आ गया है, ठीक है? More and more charges are depositing on the central wire. 900 के बाद 900 पे 1208,000 सोर्स भी तो होता है सडन राइज मिला, ठीक है, 1000 पे 1618, 1000 पे 1618. I'm going towards 1100. हम लोग कैमरा रिलेशन करते थे, लेट वाला होता था और इतना बड़ा वो था बॉल उसका के अंदर सोर्स रख, देखो हाइट हुआ 1100 पे, ठीक है, 5220. लास्ट रीडिंग लेंगे, अभी इंक्रीज ही होगा 1200 पे. आवाज करने लगा, हाई वोल्टेज 1200 दिया तो. See, you can see a random increase, a breakdown जैसा हुआ. ऑफलाइन होता तो we must have allowed you till 1100 only. ठीक है, you can see that 1,24,000 के करीब करा, 1,28,940. I'm repeating 128,914. 1200 पे 128,914. ठीक है, अभी जो आप लोग एनबी का बोल रहे थे, व्हाट इज एनबी? दैट इज द बैकग्राउंड काउंट्स. बैकग्राउंड काउंट्स मतलब when the radiations are entering the tube, no, it's not so that all the radiations get ionized. We need to clean the tube. There will be some radiations which will be still there inside the tube, right? So for cleaning that, we are measuring that background voltage. ये जो count नहीं हुए हैं, still some radiations are present inside the tube. So वो हमें लेना है, right? So for that, what I will do is, here in the tube, I'll remove the source. Okay? Don't know whether it's visible to you or not. जो ट्यूब में हमने ये सोर्स रखा था, राइट, ये सोर्स मैंने यहाँ पे रखा था. So I am removing the tube source and keeping it aside. वो बॉक्स आता है लाइट का, I'm just keeping it in the box so that no radiations are detected in the environment. Now inside this you don't have any source. Okay, without source we are taking the reading. So that will be still you will be having some radiations inside the tube. So वो हमें काउंट करना है. अभी क्या करेंगे, आप रिवर्स पे जाएंगे, right? You can see the voltage is 1200. Okay, and I just press the start button. Without source, I am taking the reading. Still, you will get some radiation, so that will be your NP background counts. Say still you are getting some counter, though the source is not there, you are getting the radiations because it will be present inside the tube. So we are cleaning the tube in short. थोड़े कम होंगे and gradually it will decrease. So it's 1200 पे background voltage, background count is 120574, 1,20,574.
See, this is NB, background count. So you need to just note down this value.
Right? 120574. That is the background count. Fine? 12 अभी रिवर्स में जाना है. 1200 के बाद 1100 पे जाना है. ठीक है? Start. कम होंगे अभी क्योंकि मैक्सिमम हमने 1200 पे मेजर कर दिया. 1100 पे you are getting 180. Then 1000. हमारा सिर्फ 1 लाख पे चला रहा है. सही अभी डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ठीक है. So 1000 पे और you are getting 41. Then 900. बहुत कम आएगा. धीरे धीरे वो 0 हो जाएगा. So 900 पे 49. Then 800. कुछ नया ही नहीं लाया था. एग्जाम में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. 30 पे सॉरी 800 पे 22. 700 18 आ रहा है, then 500, फाइव हंड्रेड पे 12, 400, so 400 पे 9, then last one 300. So it will be almost zero.
Okay, so it remains 0 only at the 300, right? So now you are having n also, you are having nb also. You just calculate n minus nb and then proceed for the graph plotting. Okay, clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So you understood everything because this is also important for your branch. Okay, to note down and to understand how to calculate and how to determine this radioactive materials. And in theory part, we are going to discuss this once again. Clear? So you need to just note down the readings, calculate the n minus nb, and accordingly plot the graph. In the Word file, whatever the analysis and computations are given to you, you need to just calculate it and then finally solve the quiz questions. Okay. So any doubt other than this? Anything that you want to ask? Okay, if not, then you may leave this meeting. No issue.